You guys will not believe that this is how this wig came. Literally haven't even applied anything on it and it came looking like this. Unbelievable. Shout out to Alipearl for this. This is innovative. This is amazing. Straight from the box, this wig came styled. Guys, have you ever seen anything like this? It came styled and the style is impeccable. Inside the wig comes with an elastic band, which is grip friendly. Your wig was not coming off. It also has some combs, so you can definitely wear this wig glueless, guys. Wow. The lace is just stunning. Like, I can't believe this. Like, I'm so shook. The hair itself is absolutely gorgeous. This is what the back of the wig looks like. It's so soft. I start off by putting it on. It was a little bit tight, I must admit, but I do go and sort that out later. I'm just trying it on to see what it looks like on, and already, guys, I'm so shook. Like, how crazy is this that this wig came like this? And I'm just gonna pull out the baby hairs. Can you believe it literally comes with pre-cut, pre-styled baby hairs? I'm just gonna pull them out so they're out of the way, and I'm just gonna fiddle with it to see how it looks and how I can go ahead and make it customized to my own head. I'm so impressed with the quality of the hair on this wig. The hair is so soft, so luscious. It moves and it's not stiff. Super impressed with the quality. So, just to make it that extra bit more flawless, I'm just going to take off the makeup on my forehead because I am going to go in with an adhesive, even though this isn't necessarily necessary, but I just want it to look that bit better. So I'm gonna go and take my bedhead spray. Absolutely love this spray. You can use a spray if you want your wig to be on for about a day and you want to take it off at the end of the day. So I'm just gonna put that in the center of the wig. I'm just gonna spray that down to make sure it is secure on my head. Guys, can you see how flawless this lace is? It literally blends into my skin. Like, I didn't even put makeup on it and it blends this much into my skin. So shook. Then I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. As I said, the wig is a little bit big. So, a little bit big. The wig is a little bit small. So, it covered my ears, but it didn't fit my head. I can't explain it. But I'm just going to get the bed head and spray a little bit on both sides to make sure the sides are also secure. Okay, once that's done, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of makeup, the leftover makeup from my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna brush that over on the lace, even though it's not really necessary, but just to make it look that bit better. And as I said, the wig was a little bit small, but it covered my ears. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off the ear tabs on both sides just to make it more comfortable for me to wear. and then put a little bit more adhesive where that lace has lifted a little bit. Okay, so the style is coming together. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the bed head on the baby hairs just to make it a little bit more sleek and customized to myself. They already came customized and cut and styled, but I just wanna make them a little bit neater.
Purchase your tracks today.
And for that extra bit of sleekness, I'm taking my Dyson straighteners and I'm just gonna run a few passes through the hair just to make sure the hair is straight. Like I said, it already comes like this, but just to make it extra straight and gorgeous. So yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. I absolutely love it. If you are not good at styling wigs, if you're going for a function, maybe like a birthday, a graduation or a special occasion, this wig is definitely something to look into. It comes like this, so you don't have to do any work. Literally just put it on, spray a little bit of adhesive and you're ready to go. And as I said, the hair on this wig is impeccable. It is soft, it's luscious, it moves, and it is not stiff. It straightens well, it feels good, everything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in this wig, I'll leave a direct link in the description box. Make sure to check it out. Thank you so much to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.